Print Monkey review demo and $4,897 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my Print Monkey review, a brand new product released by Mace. Now what it is, in a nutshell, it is a set of done for you affiliate marketing campaigns, okay? So you're getting a set of 15 done for you campaigns. Each one actually made Brandon $1,500 or more. So you know that these campaigns are actually converting. You're gonna get a little module that will allow you to share these campaigns and get traffic, and you are getting everything inside these campaigns. So videos, bonus pages, bonuses, and more, okay? So let me share my screen. Let's jump into this Print Monkey review. But before I do, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and let's check out this sales page. Now, as you can see, this sales page will say Print Monkey 15 done for you money making campaigns. Just copy and paste for quick and easy profits. Now guys, I'm not going to be boring you here with the sales page. Obviously, we have tons of proof. Again, Mace, that's the guy behind this product. Each and every single of these campaigns made him $1,500 or more, and I actually know because one of these campaigns is for my own products, okay, for Instaboss, and Brandon always sends tons of sales, okay? So again, Print Monkey, that's the name of this new product. Some more proof right here, so you can check all of this out in your own time. So testimonials, some bonuses. Obviously, you're gonna get my bonuses on top of whatever Brandon is giving to you on the sales page, and you're getting a 30 days money back guarantee. So absolutely no risk on your part. You can check it out, and if it won't work for you, you can get a refund. Okay, so guys, that's essentially it. Let's check out the inside of the members area right now. So a super simple setup. As you can see, we have the campaigns right here. So all you have to do is enter a campaign name. Then you add your affiliate link right here. So all you have to do is do these two things, and then select the product review. So as you can see, we have all of these done for you campaigns. So all you have to do is just pick one, and as you can see, we have one for Instaboss. So this is my own product. Let's click on save and publish, and let's check out how it looks like. Okay, so as you can see, we have the review page. So this is completely done for you. As you can see, we have the headline, we have the video, we have the countdown timer, we have the link that will take people to the sales page. This is obviously your affiliate link. We have all of these bonuses right here. So bonuses are included in this, and that's essentially it. So this is how the review page looks like, and also the bonus page is included with this. So this is how you will actually deliver these bonuses. Okay, so again, all of these bonuses are included with all of this. Okay, so guys, this is how easy it is to create a campaign. Obviously, you have 15 campaigns included, and all you have to do is just add traffic to it. Now, when we're going to click on instant traffic, this allows you to share the campaign all over. Okay, so we have all of these social media platforms that you can instantly share it on. So we have Blogger, we have LinkedIn, we have email, we have Evernote, we have Facebook, we have all of these different platforms that you can share it on. And obviously you're gonna need more traffic, so I'm going to actually solve this for you with my bonus, because you're gonna get tons of different traffic sources with my bonus. Okay, so guys, that's essentially the inside of the members area. There's not much more to it than what I just showed you. 15 done for you campaigns. You just name the campaign, add your link, choose the campaign, and you're ready to send traffic to it. Super simple. Okay, so that's Print Monkey. Right now, let me show you all of the upsells to Print Monkey. Okay, so right here on my blog, I have a full funnel breakdown and a full written review, so you can obviously check it all out. And Print Monkey will be $13. Okay, $13 is the early bird price, so make sure to show up early once it's going live. But after you will pick it up, you will be presented with these upsells. Okay, so Print Monkey OTO number 2 is traffic training, and in this traffic training, Brandon will show you how to get traffic to these done for you campaigns. Okay, Print Monkey OTO number 2, we have lifetime campaigns, so you're getting 15 done for you campaigns with Print Monkey. If you want campaigns every single month delivered to you by Brandon, these are monthly campaigns, and this is for either a one-time price or a monthly price. So totally up to you if you want to pay a full price upfront or if you want to pay monthly for it. Okay, so that's OTO number 2. Print Monkey OTO number 3, we have easiest system ever. So this is a system that is completely set up for you for easy profits. Okay, so this will include a funnel, Print Monkey OTO number 4, limitless traffic. So here Brendan will allow 100 people to siphon the traffic out from the sales page of Print Monkey. Okay, so you can put your Google Pixel on the sales page and you can funnel the traffic out. And Print Monkey OTO number 5, we have license rights. This will allow you to sell this product as your own and keep 100% of the profits on the whole funnel to yourself. So me promoting this as an affiliate, I'm making 50% commissions. You can make 100% commissions, so double your money on the whole funnel. So guys, again, as always, I have a full written review right here. This is me and Brendan, by the way. And let me just mention that Print Monkey goes live on June 11th at 9 a.m. Eastern. Now, if you will pick it up from my link, I'm going to send you all of these custom-made bonuses, and you're going to get all of these for free from me. Okay, so first of all, if you want to pick it up from my link, all you have to do is just click on one of these blue links if you are on my blog, or if you are on YouTube watching this review video. The first link in the description will take you to my blog, and the second link in the description will take you directly to the sales page, but only after 9 a.m. Eastern on June 11th. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to give you 6 custom-made bonuses, and these 6 custom bonuses are all about 6 different traffic sources. Okay, so obviously you get the done for you campaigns, you will need as much traffic as you can, and these 6 custom-made bonuses to Print Monkey will solve that. Okay, next up, I have a reseller's license to 3 of my top-selling products: Instavit, Traffic Trapper, and Traffic Extractor. I'm also going to give you a massive done for you campaign spec from myself. Okay, so you're going to get campaigns, emails, and funnels, everything done for you. I'm also going to give you Buyers List Ninja, an amazing course, especially if you want to build a buyers list, the kind of a list that you should have. You're also going to get an additional piece of software, Urgency Suits Pro. This is a piece of software for affiliate marketers. Okay, so every single affiliate marketer should have this. This is yours for free. And on top of all this, you're getting a ton of W's of the day and product of the day awarded products: the Lost Code, the Fuego Multiplier, the Secret Weapon, Fuego Breakout, Case Study on Free Traffic, Tube Traffic Avalanche, Commission Blueprint, Launch Jacking, Instagram Marketing Made Easy, $10,000 per month, 10K a month online, Authority Traffic Masters, Facebook Live Reaction, Asian Press, FaceZone, Vid Builder, Press Play, Image and Video Commenter, Social Auto Poster, Slick Pop, VidBot, excuse me, Responsive Slider, YouTube Video Gallery, Pinterest Portfolio, Post Grid, Post Widget, Courses Plugin, Client Extractor, Image Grab, Viral Suite, Action Simulator, Facebook Audience Builder, Instant Publisher, Pinbook, Social Traffic, Traffic Hoover, Facebook Photo Engine, Facebook Photo Contest, Affiliate Advantage Plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, True Tags, IS, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Shortcode Call to Action. That's a total of 59 bonuses, but on top of all this, you are getting my mega bonus. Now, my mega bonus just recently got bigger. It is now 116 W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. And that means that the total value of this package is $4,897. So guys, you're getting well over 150 bonuses, and these are real bonuses, not some PLR crap that I found somewhere, you know, for free or for $1 or $2. These are actual products that you would have to spend this much money on if you would like to buy them separately. Okay, so all of this will be delivered to you for free, again, just if you will pick up Print Monkey from my link, and again, just click on one of these blue links from my blog if you want to do so. Now, again, check out my full written review right here, and right now we can sum up this Print Monkey review. So what you're getting is 15 done for you affiliate marketing campaigns that are proven to make money. Each one made $1,500 plus. And Brendan actually used these in his own online business. You can use these campaigns as your own. It takes a minute to set up, as you saw. Obviously, you're going to get instant commissions. You're getting both video reviews and a bonus page, and bonuses are included with this. And you know, this is a simple 3-step system to make money. What I don't like about Print Monkey, the only thing I can think about is that you have to use these campaigns as is. Okay, so the videos are already there. You won't be able to edit the videos or anything like that. So you have to promote these products and use the campaigns as is. But with that being said, these are top products. They are selling like hotcakes. They are converting really, really well, and you get the bonuses, and these campaigns already converted, so you know that this stuff sells. So Guys, that's my Print Monkey review for you. And before you go, let me just show you how to claim my bonus to Print Monkey. Okay, so all you have to do is go to your purchase history in Warrior Plus. So click on your icon with your name in the top right corner, go to the purchase history, find Print Monkey, and if you picked it up from my link below the button that says access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses from Art. So that's how you claim my bonus. You don't have to send me emails or receipts. It is all done for you automatically. And for the last time, Print Monkey goes live at 9 a.m. Eastern on June 11th. Make sure to pick it up from my link to get all of these bonuses, almost $5,000 worth of bonuses. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment under this YouTube video. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. And I'll be seeing you very shortly in the next review video. Ciao!